Tiyag ko
Hi
makikip.
guys, I'm E. Guys, it's my birthday.
Are you serious? You can eat all that?
Yeah.
Sus, parehas.
Don't ask why my mom was asking that. Well, I'm on speaker right now.
Tomorrow morning for breakfast.
Happy birthday!
Bu
Except you.
bukas na lang uli.
Anyway,
Kita makay nagdaras na nga naibos ni. Awanan, nagdakkel tatay.
What guys?
sarap